What's up, everybody? Today we will be fishing and hiking in Mitchell Mills State Natural Area in Zebulon, North Carolina. A few of my buddies and I will be hiking and fishing all the way down to the bigger body of water. I do not know the distance, but we will be hiking it, and you guys will see on this video that we catch a few fish on here, which I was not expecting to catch any fish. But let's get into it.
Bigger body of water.
Yeah, Trevor got one.
Look at this. Again, all three hooks.
Dang.
How am I supposed to get that out, dude?
Yeah, let's go fish that same spot, Ian.
Did you get that bug spray? Yeah. In the water.
Oh, dude. No, there's another one back there. Back in there. Yeah.
I'm coming in.
Yeah, throw it over there. Yes, sir.
That guy that was the video I saw, he said these were called like red bellies or something?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Let's venture down. There's another one back there, Trev, if you want to keep trying, but it's all right, Trev. I'm just going for the bass.
Yeah. Hey, that's a new species for me right there.
Hell yeah.
If it wasn't sunfish, I've caught sunfish before.
All right, let's go. Let's keep moving.
Cast after cast after cast after cast. We were not catching anything, no bass or no other fish, nothing, just a few logs, a few trees, some rocks, but no fish at all. Trevor caught that one
Right under that
at the very beginning, but nothing since. Nobody caught anything, and our hopes are starting to go down because we thought we weren't going to catch anything. We thought we caught the biggest fish there, but then suddenly...
Making my way over to Ian. My boy just got one.
Beautiful little sunfish.
There you go. There you go.
Lift up my skirt. It got pretty fucking deep right there. Hold on, go back so I can see where to go. Just go straight across.
I don't even know if I have anything that I like that I want to try. Biggest catch of the day right here, boys.
Hell yeah.
Fish is a fish.
Fish is a fish. Look at that one.
I'm gonna let it breathe. Yeah. Where are they at? Where are the bass? Yeah, but still.
It almost feels like if you want to catch a...
Alright, so after that massive catch, that was the end of it basically. I
No.
moved back over to the
What is
same
that,
spot where I
jerkbait?
caught that fish. I cast it a few more times, didn't catch anything there, but we eventually decided to make our way back
We
towards
can
the
use it as bait.
vehicles
Get it.
and head out of there. So enjoy the rest of it, and I'll catch you next time.
At least there is fish. Is it tied? Yeah. Well, we've all caught one, right? No.